Hey guys, this is Hotshot Games here, and we're giving you a tutorial on the basics of Game Maker. Okay, let's start. So you're gonna want to get Game Maker from Steam or whatever, buy it, get the free version. I use the free version because I'm too cheap, and it does that sometimes. It's not really doing its first initial install. Well, unless it is your first initial install, then it will go through some stuff. Anyway, so you're going to come up with this after you click Make. So you're going to want to go to New, type in a project name. We're going to do Tut for tutorial in YouTube. Tut YouTube. And you're going to want to press Create. Then it's going to load for a little and it's going to bring up this. Now, don't let this look too intimidating or anything. It's pretty easy. Okay, so you're going to want to right-click sprite and press Create Sprite, or press this little thing that looks like Pac-Man. You can call it whatever you want, but I do SPR underscore player. So you're going to want to now go to Edit Sprite, make one. Let's zoom in. Let's just make him a simple circle. There we go. There's our player. So now we need to have a wall, just a basic wall. So let's do SPR underscore wall. Do this. Okay. Get this. Slow. Oops. There we go. Okay, we're gonna get the bucket. Do that. Check. Here's our wall. And our enemy. SPR underscore enemy. Edit. Make. This can get kind of boring, but depends. Okay, last one. Now I'm gonna put. Now this is basic, so this basic part won't have any coding, but to get far in this, you're gonna have to learn some coding. So just saying that, so don't think this is like an alternative to not having to code, because you still have to code actually quite heavily in this. But there's the option of having really bad games that you don't have to code everything in. Okay, so now we're going to press Create an Object. We're going to call it obj underscore player. So we're going to go and put obj player is the sprite. And we're going to add an event. Now this is a really easy event. We press keyboard, left, right, up, down. Now let's take left for example. So we press left on the keyboard. Then we get this part, this move, the green one, corresponding to that direction and in the speed, which will do 5. You do that for every side as so. See? So it couldn't be any easier, and this is for basic movement. It's not going to be the best movement. It's going to be very choppy. You really need programming to make it look good. But it has to do for when you're first learning it. So we do that. Okay. Now we're going to have to, let's see. Oh, right. Cancel. So we're going to put key release of, oh yeah, you're going to want to put key release of everything and put stop. Because without that, they move on forever without ever stopping. It must be a living hell. Okay, add event, key release. Oh. I'm filming right now if you want to be in the audience. I'm filming, so just listen. Okay. So now we're doing up. So now you're gonna wanna wait, what was I doing? Oh, release, keyboard release, left, up, down. So let's do right. Oh wait, no. Down. And we're gonna do stop. Okay, so now that you have all these, that's your basic movement. Okay, now we're gonna make our OBJ wall. OBJ underscore wall. We're gonna choose that wall sprite we made. Add event. So we're gonna have it to where when it has collision with OBJ player. Oh wait, no. Wait, never mind. Delete. We just set this as a solid, and when OBJ player has contact with the wall, it stops him. Stop. Okay, so, okay, let's do the enemy, then we'll get on to the stage. OBJ underscore enemy. Very basic enemy, and this guy won't even really do anything. It's just whenever he has a collision with the player. Let's see. Oh wait, no, never mind. Delete. Just have it on the player to make it easier. Add event. Collision with the enemy is gonna restart the game. Or maybe the room. That seems a bit more reasonable. Yeah, okay. So, and one more just for better testing. When you press letters R, respawn for respawning quickly if you need to respawn between. Okay, now we're going to create a room. So, you can see this room here. And go to objects. And you could place down the objects that you've made. So let's set a wall barrier. So we're going to set a wall around it. Very time consuming. Very annoying. For this building. Daniel, you there? Okay, looks like Daniel's not there. Oh. Is there anything you want to talk about your new, the game that we're making? I don't know. Just some stage talk for a while. I'm building the stage. Alright. Well, oh yeah. You guys probably can't hear him. We're not sure. Bandicam is weird. Okay, so it looks like that's about it. You want to put backgrounds and change the color. Let's change it to red. Beautiful eye-searing red. We're gonna change the name to main. Main underscore room. I just used main underscore room for testing. And now let's run it. Okay, so it's running. That's the compiler down there, if you don't know. So we have basic movement. So you're able to move around. And if you hit the enemies, it respawns you. And if we hit R, respawns. Now What? I'm just showing a tutorial, but you just move around. There's no real goal. It's just a tutorial. Yeah. Well. Anyway. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys watch out for the second tutorial and everything else that this channel has to offer. Everything in programming news, Hotshot Games.